What up, TRILLGANG, man? It's still the same day, man. I just got checked into the hotel, showered up, you know what I'm saying? And right now, I'm about to go ahead and get ready to go to Dallas. I'm actually in Ennis right now, like I told y'all before. I'm actually in Dennis right now, but we're gonna go ahead and move around and shit. So yeah, just gave y'all that cold start and shit. But we gonna go ahead and move around, get my watch fitted and everything. And yeah, that's it. So on to the next scene. Deuces. Alright, y'all. So like I said, man, we still waiting, man. We about to go to Rell and CJ on 32's meet right now. So it looks like everybody done made it back. So got somebody. Whoa, got somebody. Damn. Man, that person's still going, bro. He's still going, boy.
Boy, thug like that, boy.
Hey, Dallas don't give a fuck, huh?
He could have pulled in that parking lot. Right? Nah, he right there. Boy, when you see red and blue behind you, you know. Fuck that, red and blue behind you, you nervous as fuck.
Yeah, so see y'all there. Deuces. Yeah, we finally at the meet, y'all. We finally at the meet, man. So let's go ahead and meet people.
No, you don't, man. I just like to help people. Now you're living proof. I help people for no reason. That's why when I come back, we gotta go do something when I come back. Let me get out the way.
Man, look at that boy in New York, man.
Yeah, we in the building. Man, hold on. Look at this drip.
Man, you already know I had to do it, man.
I can't stand next to him. I can't stand next to him. He's shining.
Hey,
He's blinding me.
He got some rings out there.
And the rain and
The grill, all that. Hey.
look at I love to see everybody having a good time.
Grill, man, what's going on, man? JTRD, I've been waiting to meet this man forever, man. You already know what it is, man. Boy, straight from Chicago, live team veteran. You already know he's my personal player partner. Zay, he called out goddamn Ronald McDonald, Burger King. He called out J.C. Penney. But he gonna win one of them goddamn races, though. You know what I'm saying? No doubt, no doubt.
You gotta respect them, though. You gotta.
Hey, he gonna win a couple of them joints,
Hey,
baby.
I respect the nigga, man. Getting out there with the big boys.
Hey, he turning down no smoke. Zero smoke turned down.
Hey,
How we doing it, man?
don't nobody. Hey. Yeah, I see what the vibes is, man. We out here.
You changed it?
Some of these whips. Show y'all some of these whips real quick.
Somebody had to sell a
I
little
don't
drink.
know. I just got here.
Oh, okay.
Appreciate you. Man, got that copyright, man. We can't be doing that copyright. Doing too much. Hey, we didn't get a badge.
Y'all didn't get one?
Man, nah, Rell didn't get one.
Damn, real slipping. Don't do my sister like that, man. Real slipping, man. You can't put it on like that. Damn, man. Goddamn, man. I know them. Put on VIP action. Boom.
Got a whole SS in this bitch.
Trying to go over there. We let them in over on that side.
Wavy.
Yeah, man. Good with you, man. Good
Yeah,
with you,
man.
man. I feel good.
Yeah.
We out here, man. This won't be the last time, though. You know what I'm saying?
I said, you better not be.
Long ways. Long ways. I've been 6'1" since 7th grade.
I thought when I first saw your name, I said, he better not be short.
I know.
Shaq Diesel.
Listen,
Muggsy Diesel.
6'1" and 7. Y'all went to the car
What
trick,
grade?
though? In 7th grade.
7th grade? Oh, shoot.
Y'all went to the car trick, though? Everybody got a chance.
I've seen.
I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all.
Shaq, that's how I know your name.
What up?
For the car trick.
For the car trick. You messed them boys up so bad they took off running.
Oh yeah, yeah, on Corey.
Fat Cat.
Oh yeah, killed him. Killed him. Y'all check this out. Somebody, you check it out. Hold it.
I got it.
You still a man? Hold it. Show everybody what me.
Wait, what?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm your brother.
Wait, what?
Everybody got it? What catfish is? Everybody got it?
Catfish.
Catfish. Come take the card out right quick. Come take the card
Better
out.
not know what
It's over here. What? It's been showing you the card, man. Oh. My back turn, y'all got it?
If you don't get it, I'm gonna call you
All right, put it
Muggsy
in the
Diesel
dick.
from now on. Your name on the line.
Okay, name on the line.
Muggsy Diesel. Hold on, this card marked.
This card not marked.
It
Come on.
is, it is marked. It's
Put it
marked.
anywhere.
Anywhere.
You made it hard for me then. That was smart.
Yeah, I know.
I ain't got my camera. Where
You know something about this?
Yeah, I know something about him.
I know you do. Give me 2 tries.
I lost $800 one night messing with the card, man.
You finna lose 1,000 a day then. I want 200 more.
Oh!
You getting away like that?
Oh!
Here you go again. Who that is? Oh, Jordo.
Oh, Lord.
Yes,
better
sir,
not
man. I
get
gotta do what I do.
You better not get it.
I gotta do what I do. 2 tries. 2 tries.
2 tries.
That's all I need.
I saw.
You saw it.
You did. That's it. That's it.
Nope.
That's it. Nobody.
That
Step
ain't
on
it.
it. Look, step on it. Put your feet on it. Cover the whole card. Cover the whole card.
She made me nervous.
Put your feet on it.
She made me nervous. I'm
Put
just
your
getting
feet
ready.
on it. Put your feet on it. Cover the whole card. There you go. This it. This it. Everybody. This it.
Oh!
Wait. That's it. Watch this.
Hey,
That's where
what
it come
the
in.
fuck?
That's where it come in. That right there. That's where it come in. Check that out right there now. Check it out.
No.
Yes, yeah. Flip it over. Flip it over. Y'all better subscribe, man. I'm the best.
He got it!
I'm the best out here.
You ain't playing man, boy.
Yes, sir. Is you a man, bro?
He done got him with the car trick again. I mean, he got him with the car trick.
What up, bro?
I don't know what it is.
Where is?
I got you. It's in the truck. I got you.
Hold on, box getting heavy though. All right.
Check out some cars over here. We got Rells.
medium. I wear a goddamn dry fit small. You could have wore one of the ones you already wore that shrunk and gave me that joint, and I'd have let it go.
These already pre-shrunk. And guess what? Yours is coming special.
Man, look.
Yours got some extra stuff to it.
It got extra stuff to it.
It's the one.
You just mean it's extra damn small. Don't you this all good?
It's extra stuff that's going with it. Trust me.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna let this ride.
Trust me. You got a bundle deal.
All right, man.
You got some stuff
He
coming
sold
with
my
it.
shit, y'all. Where all the cameras?